Thanks for joining us here on Republic TV. We have a big news break this Monday morning, and we've been leading the agenda, getting you back-to-back news breaks. And we have a report with us. And Nupur is joining us on this broadcast. Richa is joining us on this broadcast, and we have a panel of experts also joining us on this breaking news broadcast on a story where we are exposing how Pakistan's propaganda has been called out by Facebook. Now, not directly, Facebook has not directly named Pakistan. Now, this is a very big story because for years now we've seen a misinformation, a disinformation campaign, Nupur. And for years we've seen that this campaign has been led by Pakistan, Pakistan's army, Pakistan-based handles, Pakistan-based social media, posts. And there's been such a huge campaign across the world. And for the first time, perhaps you have a social media platform call out Pakistan globally. Now, Republic TV has this report. In fact, Ankit Paliwal was able to access this report. This report is now in the public domain. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this report. This report in my hand tells you what happened. Look at this report. This report, it's the May 2021 Coordinated Inauthentic Behavior Report. And let me read out from this report a little bit. This is the report of May 2021 Coordinated Inauthentic Behavior Report. This is from Facebook, right? Now, why is this report important and why are we getting you this news break this morning? Now, for years, we've seen there has been a disinformation campaign and propaganda to target India, target the Indian government, target the Indian army. And this report that I have in my hand, let me go straight to the Pakistan section. And we have some of those posts. We'll just put that out as well. Just look at this. On Pakistan specifically, section 2 of this report is in my hand, and I'm reading out this report. Nupur, look at this very closely. This report says 40 Facebook accounts, 25 pages, 6 groups, 28 Instagram accounts for violating privacy policy against coordinated inauthentic behavior. Now, what is coordinated inauthentic behavior? It's basically, these are targeted propaganda campaigns that are launched on social media. They use platforms, social media platforms, and they attack India through vicious posts. They attack the Indian government, they attack the Indian army, and they, launched worldwide propaganda. They targeted English-speaking audiences. They targeted English-speaking audiences in the Arab world. They targeted English-speaking audiences domestically so that they could launch this campaign against India. What is the Pakistan link, the direct Pakistan army link? Let me tell you, this report goes into great detail. Let me read out parts of this report and we'll put out the graphics of what this report says. This report, in fact, also comes with some pictures. And we have the pictures as well that we'll put out on our screens. And we have in our newsroom here on Republic TV, we've broken down the story to great detail. Look at this. This is one example of one such post which Facebook has taken down. It says India illegally occupied Kashmir on 27th October. Since then, it was maintained a tight grip to its armed forces and draconian laws. Fake news propaganda campaign pulled down by Facebook. Look at this. Modi declares war on Indian Muslims. Anti-Modi propaganda. And it also said India, which isolated Pakistan, is becoming alone in the world itself. So essentially, groups, firms that launched this campaign were identified and they were named and accounts were taken down. And one such group which shows up here, Nupur, and I have the name of that group here. The name of that group is Alpha Pro, which the Facebook report itself names. Look at this. It says right. To post content, manage pages, drive people to their off-platform website and other social media channels. They were used essentially to launch a global campaign. Look at this. This network appeared to be active across multiple internet services, posted about news and current events in the region, including the ongoing global pandemic, criticism of India, treatment of Muslims, particularly in the Kashmir region, also supportive commentary about Pakistan. Some of these networks' pages have been previously removed for community standards violations, including hate speech. So, repeat offenders, and these are not small people or small agencies. There is one group named by Facebook in its report called Alpha Pro. Alpha Pro is a Pakistan-based PR firm, and we found out that this firm has direct links to the Pakistan army. Direct links to the Pakistan army, thereby exposing the state-run propaganda campaign. The state-run propaganda campaign, Nupur. Yeah. And let me hand it over to you. I think we have some panelists also join us on this broadcast. I think Major General KK Sinha is with us, Major General Sanjay Soy and Captain Alok Bansal. I'm handing it over to you so that you can take this forward with them along with Richa Nupur. But it's a very damning report, one that exposes the global propaganda against India, and it's been ongoing for years. It's perhaps the first time that you've been able to draw a direct link to the Pakistani army via this report, which names Alpha Pro, which is a Pakistan-based PR firm with clients such as, for example, the DGISPR, which is the Pakistan's disinformation cell. Back to you.